Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to find a kit you can use unless you want to create your own. So I'm going to use this multiply one because I've done it before, so you just copy it. So then that adds it to your kits. And then I'm going to make an assignment, new assignment, pick that kit, select my due date, pick my classes, probably change my target cash to like, I don't know, something 150,000. And I'll say that they can play for 30 minutes. And I'm going to start them at $200 so they can upgrade right away. And then you just create assignment. And then probably the easiest way is you can copy the link and share it, or you could just go to remind and then share it that way. So that's pretty much how you do it.